Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Janae. For those who don't know, for those who do know me, how you doing? How you been? My field placement is located in Wilmington, Delaware. It's a nonprofit organization. We do a little bit of everything there. We have wellness groups. We have a crisis hotline. We help people find resources for whatever it is that they may be looking for. We do a lot of events. And I help with all of these things. I help with the wellness groups. And we have wellness groups for anything you could think of: depression, anxiety, people of color, women's group, men's group, suicide awareness group, everything that falls under mental health. We also one of the things that I really enjoy the wellness groups. The other thing that I like to sit in on was the going to the mental health court. It was definitely different and interesting, and the wellness groups bring so many people together, and they bond and they share so much. It's just like um a very fulfilling job to facilitate and to come across so many different people with different walks of life and that have been through so many different things, and everybody still finds a way to relate. I love helping people find resources, although sometimes it could be hard and very difficult. And you could get frustrated when you do help somebody find resources. Again, very fulfilling knowing that you was able to help somebody that wasn't able to help themselves at the time. One of the challenges that I face, I wish I could be in their building more due to my work schedule. I'm not able to be in the building, so when certain things do occur, I kind of miss out on it. So that's why I'm so in love with the wellness groups, because via Zoom or in person, it gives me a way to always be able to participate and be involved. One thing I learned about myself during this experience is just that I I found that I am interested in things that I never thought that I would be interested in. I found myself being more sympathetic to certain topics that I never thought I would be. May sound ironic because I want to be a social worker, but some things I'm not too sensitive about. But can learn to empathize. But I've seen myself change emotionally. I've seen the way I think. I see the way I perceive things since being in the program. So not just my internship, the program as a whole, I found it very. I feel like I've been finding who I am more and learning more about myself while learning everything else, and learning about clients and how to deal with them and how to work with them. That's everything, and see you guys soon.